So today I am outside at our Lenore location. We are going to get down and dirty with the trash cans today. So I've got my scrubber. I've also got our handle for the water. I will show you why. Take the handle off because we have people that just kind of walk around and they'll use the water if we don't take the handle off. So first we got to put our handle on, then we're going to get down and dirty and cleaning our trash cans because they desperately need some TLC. Now I will show you a little before I scrub. So as you can see, from a far away view, they don't look too bad, but if you start looking really close, there's some gunk in there. Alright guys, so we've officially got all of our trash cans scrubbed with our brush and our bleach spray. So I'm going to show you what they look like before I wash them off, and then I will show you the after I dry them off and get them all spick and span and ready to go back in the office. So we're all soaked up and ready to be washed. Alright guys, here are our trash cans. I actually cleaned the outside on all of them as well, even the bottoms. So they are all nice, neat, and clean. As you can see, I got the big trash can as well. And this is your reminder to always fix what bugs you. So I guarantee you that half of the people here have not thought about the trash cans. It was not bothering them. They really didn't care. Me personally, it was bothering me. So I stopped, took a couple seconds, and made that change. Because that's what we do in Lean. We fix what bugs us, and we stop, plan, take a second, and then execute.